So we will understand the meaning of climb hodograph. So this topic we used to cover in aeronautical aerospace engineering field, but my intention behind making this video is for those students who are preparing for GATE aerospace exam. Okay, this can also be helpful for pilots at their academic level. So climb hodograph is a graphical method where we discuss, suppose these two axes I am taking. So this graph we plot between V vertical, V horizontal. What do I mean? Imagine, because name is climb and you understand what is the meaning of climb. Suppose there is any aircraft. This aircraft is flying in this direction. So it will be flying with particular speed V infinity, correct? That is free stream velocity, speed also. So now if I consider this length of the speed vector, of the velocity vector at some V infinity, then also from the horizontal, if I consider this angle is theta, then I know that this aircraft is, when this aircraft is climbing, it is not only climbing, it is doing two more things. It is having horizontal motion and it is also having vertical motion, right? So if I consider this as a velocity vector, then this is going to be my horizontal velocity, this is going to be my vertical velocity, and you use vector sum and you will be getting your final velocity V infinity. So this vertical velocity I will draw on vertical axis and horizontal velocity I will draw on horizontal axis, and their relation I will plot. So that relation, when we plot, it comes like this. Okay, this is only known as climb hodograph. What are the informations we are going to get from climb hodograph? So see guys, in the climb hodograph, three important points you should know. First, very popular, this point. Second, very popular, this point. And third, any other random point. Any other random point. Okay, or you can say I can have infinite points here on this line, then I am choosing two special points out of those infinite points. So suppose randomly I am choosing one point here. So when you put one point here, then you draw from origin from 0 0, you draw one vector like this. This vector, when you measure, then it is a magnitude. That time what was the free stream velocity, or that time what was the flight speed. This is the magnitude, okay, of that speed, of that velocity. I'm very sorry, today I have cold and that's why, but today I wanted to make this video, that I'll forget this to upload. So now see, this will be having two components, right? One component here, so this will be one component, that is current VH value, and you can say another component is here, or you can say this one, this is your V vertical value. Remember, this vertical velocity is known as rate of climb, ROC. Some people say VC also, some people say V vertical. Different names are there in different region of the world. So ROC is very popular, rate of climb is very popular. So this rate of climb, so now suppose I'm choosing any random point here and I'm saying this point, any random point, suppose point 3. So on this point 3, what is happening? What are the informations we are going to get at this point? And also, you see in this diagram, this V infinity is in this direction and this is my horizontal, and in horizontal direction only I have horizontal velocity. So angle between them is nothing but the climb angle, means at how much angle this aircraft is going forward. It means this angle theta is giving you two ideas. One idea is what is angle between V infinity and V horizontal, that is angle theta. And another idea is, in real life this aircraft is going in this direction at angle theta, means climb angle also. Okay, now let's connect that here. So this angle, if I will find out using tan theta, then I will be getting, suppose this angle is theta, then I'll be getting V vertical, which is here V vertical divided by V horizontal, correct? I'll change the color. And next thing, you can also find out using sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but this V vertical by V infinity, V vertical by V infinity, or you can also, cos theta is nothing but V horizontal by V infinity, correct? Okay, so now what is the physical importance we are having of the point 3? Point 3 is giving me 4-5 ideas. First idea, point 3 is telling me that your aircraft is currently climbing at angle theta with velocity v infinity, that time your rate of climb value is vv. This much value is your rate of climb value, and that time, just a moment, and that time the horizontal velocity is vh, correct? Now if I switch to this point here, suppose this point is 0.4, then what will happen at 0.4? I will change this connection here from origin to this, correct? Now this 0.4 is telling me what? Now this became a new v infinity, a new velocity at which aircraft is climbing. But again, one more information, a new theta also at new climbing angle, and two more new information. That time you are having this much, you can see here, you are having this much vertical velocity, means rate of climb, you can see, increased, correct? And you can also see your horizontal velocity decreased. I hope you got it. Now because background is ready, so what is a climb hodograph? Climb hodograph is nothing but, now you can write in your simple sentences, it is the graph which we are plotting between your ROC. ROC means v vertical and v horizontal. Okay, what is v vertical, v horizontal? Whatever is your free stream, it will be having two components, and those both components will be perpendicular to each other, v vertical and v horizontal, and by their addition, vector addition, means v infinity is equal to under root vh square plus v square, you can find out the main vv. Okay, so this is your hodograph. Now at this hodograph, now I told you, suppose you are at this point, it means when you plot, this is a graphical method, you can plot one line here, and this line will give you the value of v infinity. It means suppose this is the surface of the earth, then your aircraft is climbing at this angle theta. Okay, and with what velocity? With v infinity. Suppose I am putting 1 here, so v infinity 1. That time this is your vh1 velocity and this is your v1 velocity, correct? This angle theta. Now if I am going to a new angle here, new point here, then I reached here, so that time I have to tilt my aircraft little bit more, means I have to tilt like this. It means now I am having a new v infinity velocity, so for that new v infinity velocity I'll be having new components and a new angle of climb also. So you can see here, in first case this was theta 1 was my angle of climb, and this was my theta 2 angle of climb. Okay, and at this point how much your ROC? This much is your ROC, and this much was your horizontal speed. Okay, because when aircraft is climbing, two motions are happening at a time, because it is 2D, correct? Horizontal motion also and vertical motion also. I hope this part is clear. So what is theta here? Theta means what is your angle of climb that time. You are climbing at this angle, or you are climbing at this angle, or you are climbing at this angle, or you are climbing at this angle. Okay, so one thing is angle of climb. Next thing is, suppose this is your angle of climb and you are climbing at this, so that time what was your speed of climb? Climbing speed v infinity, and that was having two component, horizontal component and vertical component. Vertical component is your ROC. Clear? Now two special points I told you, correct? It means what? In this climb hodograph, what is this point? At this point if you draw the tangent, this tangent will become horizontal completely. Okay, this is the tangent, this is the tangent line, where if you connect this line here, then at this point, this is the highest point in the graph, in the climb graph, this is the highest point. So this will become your that special point where your vertical velocity, means rate of climb, will become maximum, means rate of climb will become maximum. And that time if you measure the magnitude of this, at this velocity, when aircraft will climb at this much theta, then you will achieve maximum ROC. I hope it's clear why this point is special, because at this point your vertical velocity becomes maximum. It means suppose pilot is in any real life situation, and that situation is demanding that pilot should climb at very fast ROC. I mean pilot can climb from H1 height to H2 height very fast, means quickly. That time ROC should be maximum. That time what other situations can be? Very popular situation, suppose enemy is behind and enemy missile is launched. Or next condition, Suppose suddenly you are seeing some hill is there, so you have to cross the hill, you have to jump the hill. So in that case you need maximum ROC. So that time pilot will set all the equipments to achieve this much theta and to achieve this much V-infinity, so that pilot can automatically will be giving getting ROC max, rate of climb max. Okay, now remember, rate of climb max does not mean horizontal velocity is minimum, because even these points are there still remaining. Okay, so now you understood that in your climbing hodograph at this point whatever data is there, that data is telling you only one idea, that ROC was maximum. It does not mean anything else was minimum, right, or everything was maximum. No, only ROC was maximum. Now next thing, next special point is, this is special point, means here this is special point. I drew multiple graphs now, so this is special point. So what is that special point? So if you connect this here, at this special point, you can see theta is maximum, your theta is maximum. Now this velocity will also be having two components, because this is also V infinity. I will draw again properly. Okay, so suppose you are here, so if you draw something like this, it should go tangent like this. Okay, then this angle is theta max. Now see, when you are climbing, two situations pilot can think. First thing, I want to climb with maximum ROC, means that time speed should be faster. Climb, speed should be faster. Now second condition, pilot can think, no, I am not bothering about speed, I am bothered about maximum angle of climb. I want to climb at maximum angle. Suppose some obstacle came, that time pilot has to cross at maximum angle. Okay, so that time theta should be maximum, this ROC theta should be maximum. I hope this part is clear. Correct. So that time whatever is your V infinity, that pilot will calculate, and whatever is your ROC, that ROC is not maximum ROC. Correct, because maximum ROC is here. I hope this part is clear. So when it is about climbing hodograph, I hope these 4-5 things are like important thing. V infinity, what will be your aircraft speed, then at what angle you want to climb, when you are climbing at that angle, that time what was your ROC, what is your horizontal velocity. These things are the main thing, and that's all. Only this much you have to know for the GATE aerospace preparation. And my name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I am an IITian. I am running my GATE coaching center from 2014, and we are almost done this year for 2025. Syllabus is over, so this topic I thought to upload properly. You can contact me for your GATE preparation. My contact number is 6380135260. This is my WhatsApp number. Don't call me directly, just give me a WhatsApp message. And if you have any query regarding coaching, admission, blah blah things, you are first year student, second year student, third year student, final year student, pass out student, and you want to prepare for GATE aerospace exam, just let me know.